In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on EA Sports. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to change your email address on EA Sports, the first thing you will need to do is obviously head over to ea.com and then log into your account. Once you do this, what you need to do now is go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on your little profile picture, which is this little button here. Click on that and then you will need to select account settings. And then once you select account settings, you'll be redirected over to my account. And then from here, what you need to do is go to where it says email address and then click on edit. Once you click on edit, you will get this little pop-up here where you will need to verify your identity. And then what EA will do is send a code over to your Gmail. And then all you need to do now is click on send security code. And then that will be sent over to your Gmail, so get that code. And then once you have entered in the code, all you simply need to do now is select submit. And then once you have submitted the security code, this will allow you to now change your email address. So if you enter in your new email address in this box here, what that will do is it will send a verification code over to your new email. And then once you enter that in, you can simply click on continue. So that's how you can go ahead and edit your email address on EA Sports.